So, good day everyone. I am Rizalyn Joy Sakura, and today I'll be sharing something that can truly help us with our research and academic writing. So, this is my topic, how to use Google Scholar. Next. So, introduction of Google Scholar. So, Google Scholar is a free academic search engine provided by the Google. So, it indexes scholarly articles, theses, books, conference papers, and patents. Useful for students, researchers, and academics seeking credible sources. So, so Google Scholar is a freely accessible web search engine created by Google to help students like us, researchers and professionals that locate scholarly resources online. So, unlike regular Google, which shows us a wide range of content like blogs or news, so Google Scholar focuses on specifically on academic publications such as peer-reviewed articles, theses, books, and conference papers for universities and publishers. So, by accessing Google Scholar, to use it, go to googlescholar.com, type in your topic or keyword, and it will show results like academic papers or books. So, if you have no account, this is no account required absolutely. But naay sa kuan nga sa Google Scholar nga need og account. So signing in with your Google Scholars enables additional features like saving articles or sa library. So performing a basic search, use keywords, focuses on essential terms like for example our research, which is the facial recognition or curfew enforcement. Use codes for exact phrases, which is face recognition technology. You can filter it also by year to find most recent studies. Like for us is 2020 to 2024. So you can use also the Boolean operators, which is the and or not. And refers to combined terms like curfew and facial recognition. So means you can use both keywords. You can use both keywords must appear in the search result. For example, curfew and facial recognition. Facial recognition. So this does Google Scholars to show you articles that include both the keyword, both the keyword curfew and facial recognition. Recognition, not just one or the other. You can use it when you want to narrow down research very specific topics or includes either terms like biometric or facial recognition. So this means also that result will include either one word or the other or both. For example, biometric or facial recognition. So this brings up articles that mention either biometric technology, facial recognition, or both. So yes, we can use it when if we want to broaden our research and don't want to miss related topics. So I hope you understand, guys. Lastly is the not. Not excludes term refers to excludes term, which is the facial recognition. Not surveillance, which is this shows articles about facial recognition but removes any that also mentions surveillance. So we can use it when we want to filter out unrelated or unwanted topics. So here is the Ala, nawa. So here is the ano, kaning demonstration. So by understanding search result, so I'll show you how I'll demonstrate the basic result. Here first is we need you to type Google Scholar. Are you guys listening with me? Hello,
Yes.
Scholar.
Oh, yeah.
Ano nawala? Dot com. So here. Ano siya guys? Google Scholar. So are you guys familiar na ani?
Mm-mm.
Ato na yada tong account. So, for example, the facial recognition. Ato na yung mga example. Facial recognition. So, nakita ninyo ako ang show guys.
Yes.
So, each result includes the title of the work, which is clickable link. Next is the author or authors and publication source. Cited by, which is the count indicating how many times the work has been cited. And the related articles, which is link for similar research. Then links to full text version when available, which is the PDF links. By citing sources, click the quotation marks cite below a search result. Choose from citation format which is the APA, MLA, Chicago, and option text for citation to reference managers like EndNote, RefWorks, or Bible text. So later on, guys, I'll show you the demonstration on how to use this. So as you can see, the here is the managing your library. So by using this, guys, you need to sign in to save articles to your personal library. It is also to organize save articles for easy reference. You can use the My Library to feature to keep track of relevant search. Are we all clear, guys? Hello?
Yes.
So, this is the utilizing advanced search. So, familiar na mo, ani?
No.
So, by using this, by accessing this, you need to advance search by clicking the menu icon. Later, I will show you guys. Search by author, publication, or date range. Refine result to match specific result needs. Okay, before I'll end my topic no, I'll demonstrate muna on how to use Google Scholar para mas ma-understand ninyo ang ako ang report. Ako ay start sa kaning pinakauna gyud. So, Google Scholar. I'll type Google Scholar. .com. Oh, here. Ano siya guys? This is the if you search Google Scholar mo ano siya mo gawa.
Pakita.
Makita siya guys. Makita ninyo ako ang gi-share screen
Pakita
everyone.
ba? Makikit.
Advanced
Punta eh.
Hala, dili ninyo sa makita. Wait, ako ang
wala.
Type,
ikuan.
type screen ba?
Okay. So, makita ninyo?
Okay na.
So, first,
Meron na po ba?
alam nyo ba lahat kung ano ang title natin sa research?
Yes, the development of barangay curfew permit system using facial recognition.
Okay. Pwede natin gamitin ang keyword na facial recognition. For example, facial recognition. So, click here. Then, makikita, lalabas ito guys. Nakikita nyo ba?
Oh,
Okay, let's try this. Ay, no muna. So, this is the title of the work. Ito. Nakikita niyo guys? Ito ang
yes,
title of the work. This is clickable guys. If you click here, you'll see this. And it is restricted because some of the, as what I've said, some of those articles are not free. So you'll need to sign in your your topic. I mean your so yan ito. Your email sa ginagamit natin sa sa school. So next is makikita natin dito sa baba ang author. Ito. So guys, na-encounter nyo ba kung pag magse-search tayo, ang lalabas is 1990s or 2006? Everyone?
yes,
So para maano natin ko, para ma-sure natin kung 2024 ang lalabas, we can custom range here. Just put 2020 and 2024. Then search. So ito na siya guys. It is all 2020 and 2024. But to make sure guys, i-check jud. I-check muna gid natin kung 2020, 2024 ba. Lahat ng ano. Here is the example. The next sa author natin. Oh my God. Here makikita din natin kung the author as cited by, which is how ang count indicating how many times the work has been cited. Then the related articles, which is link for similar research. Check natin ha. And links to full text, which is this version when available, such as PDF links. So here guys, ito ang related articles. Then, itong site, when you click site guys, ito ang lalabas, which is the MLA, APH, Chicago, Harvard, and Vancouver. The Bible text and note, Refman, and network.